In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add another account in the Monopoly Go game. If you've been wondering how to switch between different accounts seamlessly, this tutorial is tailored just for you. So let's get started. Begin by opening the Monopoly Go app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the top right corner. You should see an icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on those lines. This will open up a side menu with various options for you to explore. From here, tap on the Settings section. Settings are where you'll find most of the app's customizable options, and in this case, it's your gateway to managing your game accounts. Once in the settings, you'll see an option labeled Manage Account. This is what we are looking for, so tap on that. Now, if you're looking to switch to a different account, the first thing you'll need to do is disconnect your current login. Your game may be currently connected through Facebook, email, or your Apple ID, depending on how you initially set it up. Tapping the disconnect option will prompt the app to log you out of that account, but don't worry, your game progress is safely stored and won't be affected. Having successfully logged out, you're now at the step where you can add another account. To do this, select the sign-in option that best suits your new account preferences, be it Facebook, email, or Apple ID. Once you've made your selection, input the login details for your new account, and you're all set to go. By doing so, you will have effectively switched accounts, allowing you to access different game progress or experiences tied to that particular login. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your account in Monopoly Go. As you can see, it's a quick and straightforward process that takes less time than you might have thought. You'll now be able to switch between accounts and enjoy your game no matter which account you're on. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful Monopoly Go tips and tutorials. Your engagement means the world to me and helps us create even more helpful content for you. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.